Here's my neighbor upstairs. I wonder what these guys are doing. They're playing with the pole again. I think they kind of took a break. Now, a couple of weeks ago, they were all down here around this pole, and now they're doing some major work on it. They put in the new pole a couple of weeks ago, and now they came to do the work on it. Ah! Okay, folks, it's a little bit later. You can look at the timestamps. I did my climb up Faith Rock Trail to the Gold Tree and Rest Rock, and look to the left, up, look to the left, up. Yeah, I know, it's getting dark, and they're out here working on it, working on it. There's nobody behind me. There's nobody behind me. They got 3 cranes up there at the same time. One of them's holding the pole in place. There we go. 5 o'clock traffic. Steve before y'all. Just out and around having fun, being nosy. Saying see you in 73.